Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English for Everyone podcast. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Joey. We are so happy to have you with us today. Today, we are going to explore the world of modern living. We want to talk about how we navigate our social lives, our careers, and our personal growth.
That's right. And today we are talking about the things that make life colorful and exciting, hobbies and creative interests.
Hobbies, Rachel. I used to have hobbies. Now I just have work and sleep. My only creative interest is finding the remote control under the couch. I'm in a creative rut.
A creative rut. That's a great idiom for being stuck and unable to find inspiration. But Joey, having a side project is vital for your mental health. It prevents burnout.
Side project. That's something I do on the side of my main job, right? Like woodworking or gardening. I've always wanted to try pottery.
Pottery is a wonderful hands-on hobby. You get to shape the clay and express yourself. It's very therapeutic.
Therapeutic. That means it helps me relax and feel better. But I'm clumsy, Rachel. I'd probably break the wheel or make a mess. I'm all thumbs.
All thumbs. That's a classic idiom for being clumsy with your hands. But everyone starts as a novice. You have to embrace the learning curve.
Novice. That's a formal word for a beginner. I guess I should give it a shot. What about you, Rachel? I know you're a bibliophile.
I am. I devour books. But lately, I've been into digital illustration. I use a tablet and a stylus to draw. It's high-tech and mess-free.
Digital illustration. That sounds fancy. Do you post your work on social media? Is it a side hustle?
No, it's just a hobby for now. A side hustle is when you turn your hobby into a business to earn extra cash. I just want to find my flow state.
Flow state. I've heard of that. Is that when you are so focused that you lose track of time? Like when I'm playing video games for 6 hours straight.
Exactly. Whether it's coding, cooking, or painting, being in the zone is the ultimate creative high.
In the zone. I love that. I want to find my zone. Maybe I'll try photography. I love taking pictures of sunset and food.
If you do photography, you'll need to learn about composition and lighting. It's not just pointing and clicking.
Okay, Rachel, let's talk about the problem with hobbies. I have shiny object syndrome. I start a hobby, buy all the expensive gear, and then quit 2 weeks later. I have a closet full of guitar strings and running shoes I never use.
Shiny object syndrome. That's when you are easily distracted by new and exciting things but don't follow through. You are a dabbler, Joey.
A dabbler. That sounds cute, but it's expensive. How do I stick with something until I'm proficient?
Set small goals. Don't try to write a novel in one day. Start with one page. We call this incremental progress.
Incremental. That means small, steady steps. I'm applying that to my ukulele practice immediately.
The ukulele. That's charming. Now, what about collectibles? Some people collect stamps, vinyl records, or even vintage toys.
I collect sneakers. I'm a sneakerhead. I have a limited edition pair that I never wear because I don't want to scuff them. They're pristine.
Pristine. That means in its original condition and perfectly clean. You're not just a hobbyist, Joey. You're a connoisseur.
Connoisseur. That's a French word, isn't it? It means I'm an expert with good taste. I'll take that compliment.
You're welcome. And for those who like working with their hands but in the garden, there's horticulture.
Horticulture. That's just a fancy word for gardening, right? I have a black thumb, Rachel. I can kill a plastic plant.
A black thumb. That's the opposite of a green thumb. Maybe you should try upcycling instead.
Upcycling. That's when I take something old and make it new and useful, right? Like turning an old ladder into a bookshelf.
Exactly. It's sustainable and creative. You're giving new life to old objects.
Sustainable. That means good for the environment. I think I will try that. I have an old suitcase that would make a great coffee table.
That's the spirit, Joey. You're thinking outside the box now.
Thinking outside the box. That's essential for any creative interest. Well, Rachel, I'm inspired. I'm going to dust off my guitar or maybe paint that suitcase.
Just pick one and stay consistent. Your hidden talent is waiting to be discovered.
Hidden talent. I hope it's better than my singing. Let's review our artistic vocabulary. Vocabulary review. Number 1. Creative rut, idiom. Meaning, a period of time when you feel uninspired and unable to produce new or creative ideas. Example, I haven't written a song in months. I'm stuck in a real creative rut. Number 2. Side project, noun phrase. Meaning, an activity or piece of work you do in addition to your main job or studies. Example, he's a software engineer by day, but his side project is building custom furniture. Number 3. Therapeutic, adjective. Meaning, helping you to relax or feel better, having a good effect on the body or mind. Example, many people find that coloring in adult coloring books is very therapeutic. Number 4. All thumbs, idiom. Meaning, very clumsy or awkward with your hands. Example, can you help me fix this jewelry? I'm all thumbs today. Number 5. Novice, noun. Meaning, a person new to or inexperienced in a field or situation, a beginner. Example, even though she's a novice at chess, she managed to beat the club champion. Number 6. Flow state, noun phrase. Meaning, a mental state in which a person performing an activity is fully immersed in a feeling of energized focus and enjoyment. Example, when I'm painting, I enter a flow state and completely forget about my phone. Number 7. Proficient, adjective. Meaning, competent or skilled in doing or using something. Example, after 2 years of lessons, he's finally proficient in Japanese. Number 8. Incremental, adjective. Meaning, increasing or happening in small amounts or degrees. Example, making incremental changes to your diet is easier than trying to change everything at once. Number 9. Pristine, adjective. Meaning, in its original condition, unspoiled, clean, and fresh as if new. Example, he keeps his vintage car in pristine condition. It doesn't have a single scratch. Number 10. Connoisseur, noun. Meaning, an expert judge in matters of taste or the fine arts. Example, she's a wine connoisseur and can tell you the region of a grape just by tasting it. Number 11. Upcycling, verb/noun. Meaning, the act of taking something no longer in use and giving it a second life and new function. Example, upcycling old clothes into patchwork quilts is a great way to reduce waste. Number 12. Thinking outside the box, idiom. Meaning, to think in a creative and unconventional way, to find original solutions. Example, we need to think outside the box if we want to beat our competitors this year.
Use this bridge to explore the world. We're always here to help you.
Don't forget to check our community tab. We have a poll waiting for you.
Until next time, keep practicing and stay positive.
Bye-bye.